In a sense, Wright's Nursery and Greenhouse in Dallas County was started 44 years ago by accident.
My father had just lost his arm when he was 14, and my grandfather decided that mechanicking probably wasn't a good idea for him, so they decided to build a greenhouse. That's what my dad wanted, and everything just grew from there.
Despite the circumstances of its beginning, the success of Wright's Nursery has been anything but an accident. From a small wooden structure, the Wright's greenhouses now cover 2 acres, producing bedding plants, flowers, and vegetables that are sold in independent garden centers throughout Alabama. Davy returned to the operation after he graduated from Auburn in 2000 and took over marketing their products.
I do sales, he grows it. 2004, we started marketing all of our products under Alabama Grown logo. I created a website, alabamagrown.com, that went with it. That's targeting the consumer instead of our customers as a wholesaler. It allows them to get more information on the products. It's able to give them information that deals with Alabama, whereas the little picture tags that come with all the products are generic for the whole nation.
Heather is the accounts manager, so she has a lot of contact with her customers. She says much of their success is because they market their plants to the public, although they actually sell to independent garden centers.
Our goal is to make sure that when they get our product into their hands, that they know how to best take care of it. If it needs to go in the sun or the shade, the watering needs, the fertilization needs, those are all very important elements of taking care of a plant, because if they can have success with that plant, then they will want to come back and look for the Alabama Grown logo again. So we do not market Wright's Nursery, we market our trademark Alabama Grown.
Not only do the Wrights raise plants, they're pretty good at raising kids too. It's unusual if you don't see 8-year-old Abby and 5-year-old Noah helping their mom and dad.
The children love it here. They ride their bicycles, and one of our former truck drivers even made Noah a special cart that he can tote one flat around on, and he totes it and he waters it, and they both really enjoy being here on the farm and helping where they can and getting in the way.
The outstanding young farm family in the greenhouse, nursery, and sod division. From Dallas County, Davy and Heather Wright and their children, Abby and Noah.